Here we go, guys. Thursday, November 4th. Look at AMC, Entertainment Holdings, and we're going to see what the market has coming to us this morning. Looks like the bigger markets, S&P 500, the Dow, the NASDAQ, are looking to kind of bounce to the upside. And we'll have to see if that'll simply be an opportunity for the institutions to unload and then drop it throughout the rest of the morning. And we're about to open here any second. So here we go. We just opened. This is a 2-minute chart. Each candle is 2 minutes of price action. And yeah, they're pushing it down pretty good right now. At kind of this uptrend line, we'll see if it holds. Right now it's getting a little boost off the 20. And but still we have this high pivot up here to get through, and the 200. So it's kind of neutral, but you know which way it's actually going to end up flowing this morning, you know, at least for the first hour. So we're just going to watch here for a bit and see how this first 2-minute candle forms to begin with, and then we will make a decision to go long 1,000 shares, you know, looking for more upside, obviously, or we'll take 1,000 share on margin, sell, looking for more downside, and we'll buy back, you know, hopefully a lot lower, and we'll make that a market, you know, buy or sell, because there's only about a penny difference between the bid and the ask. So let me put you on pause, and then we'll come back when it looks like we're forming something up here. All right, guys, here we go. Got about 5 seconds left on this candle, and yeah, it's just honestly just an indecision candle here with that little spinning top there. So we might have to wait until the second candle forms one way or the other, because it was, you know, bullish action buying up this bottom wick, and very bearish action, obviously, coming in selling off the top wick. So not a lot of confirmation here, one way or the other. Let's go to AMD. That's one of my other favorite go-tos. And you know what? We might take a short position here. Gapped up pretty well. Little indecision here, but it looks like the bears are taking over. And if we take out the low of the first candle, right where that blue dash line is, if we push under it, we'll take 1,000 shares on margin. We'll sell here, hopefully buy back lower. Okay, I missed it. We're in here, and let me put this blue arrow there for confirmation of the candle we got in on. Still have about 40-something seconds left, and maybe we'll get a push down, and this gap from the close yesterday to where we opened today and then came down. Let's see if we can feel some of that, maybe even hit the 20. So you know, at some point during the day, at 20 and the price will meet. We'll see how that works out. I got about 15 seconds left on this candle. I didn't quite catch. I was blabbing here. Didn't hit the. Okay, here we go. That's a good sign that we gapped down. But as you can see, it's real erratic. You know, just moving. Okay, let's see. I don't want to get too greedy here. See if we can. We don't like that bottoming tail coming in, you know, meaning all that's been bought up. Let's see, we can retest that. Well, it's going. If we retest it, we'll get out of there. Matter of fact, we're gonna. Let me see. Okay, come on. Tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and hit the hit the buy. Okay, we're out, we're done. Okay, we're out of it. So let's see where this thing ends up. Still have another about 50 seconds left. Um, yeah, well, now that we got it, I'll probably run down, hit this 20 on the next candle. But as you can see, as erratic as it is, see what the SPY's doing. It's, you know, a little bit weak this morning. Right when we clicked off of it, it ran back up. Yeah, now right here, if we close at the top like where we are now or higher, then that would be a potential scale into the long side. We were just short right here. Matter of fact, let me change the color. Well, it looks like we only got 4 seconds, so it's probably not gonna. Yeah, I get back down. So we should come down here to the 20. But okay, well this video is already 6 minutes long. People generally like watching them when they're just, you know, a couple of 3 minutes or so. But anyway, thanks for playing along. You know, it was about a, you know, 2-4 minute move there. Actually less than 4 minutes. We got in, got out, and now this next candle, I'll just sit here with you. I mean, you can go and, you know, click off of it, but if it closes up and over this red candle there in the next minute 14 seconds, then you could take a long position at that level. But anyway, I'm not going to keep you here another minute, but you know, I just like watching how these play out. But that would be our play. If this green candle were to take out, you know, the red candle close, you know, higher, and then especially if we, you know, gapped up into the next one, I would definitely look at taking a long position, like right here, you know, right where it is now or higher is what I would do. And let's see, we got about 30 seconds. Let me put you on pause and we'll pick it up when it's about to close. Okay, we got about 10 more seconds left on this candle. And it was green all the way up here, if you remember, and then, you know, it's faded. So, again, 50-50. Looks like it's just going to be a pause candle. Then we'll get continuation to the downside. So, all right, guys, we're already 7 minutes, going on 8 minutes into this video. So, anyway, we'll see you on the charts. Thanks for playing along.